Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'll show you how to install Python 3.7 on Windows 10 machine. If you are new to my channel, subscribe the channel. Let's start. Go to your browser and search Python. Go to official site of Python and click here, download Python. Click here on download Python 3.7.1. It's take a little time according to your internet speed. I already download this one for time saving. Go to your folder, you will download the Python exe file. Click on the exe file and click on add path, customize location. I'll leave it next. Now click here and go to PC. Click on C and create new folder Python. Click OK. Now click on install. If you need any other help regarding Python, you can visit my channel video videos in Python zone. And if you want to use user friendly environment in Python, you can visit Anaconda zone. Anaconda is a Python IDE to provide user friendly environment for development. And if you have any query or suggestion, feel free to comment below. Now it's installed. Click on close. Type a Python. Now you can see Python is installed. Now it's working fine. So good luck guys. I am not the user of Python. So syntax error. So good luck guys. If you have any query, feel free to comment below. You can search your path and click here on properties. Go to advanced setting. Click here on environment variables. Click here on path, and you can see set here path where your path where you install. Click here and install in C and you can say Python. Click copy this and go to the folder and okay. Now your system path is set. So good luck guys. If you have any query or suggestion, feel free to comment.